7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have
Just
me
had a
sacred
Facebook message
stone.
that turned into a phone call. It turned into booking me for real estate photos, videos, and drone shots this Thursday or Friday at Crystal Beach in Fort Erie. That's easy $600. Lunchtime. Gladiator burger. Was expecting a little bit more from your fries. No seasoning, no nothing. That's kind of crap. Best weed out here. Need some dog food. Okay, here we are on site at the real estate house, doing the photos and videos for the real estate agent that I got the call on Tuesday. Beer time. The real estate agent wanted an extra drone shot. Oh, I'm here. I don't know if I can get drone shots. Let's see. Okay, I got all my shots. The drone went off. I got the drone shots. Completely surprised I got any of that. The DJI Neo, the first generation, does a great job.